Hello guys, today we'll be going over some TypeScript basics. And before we get started, I'd just like you to let you know what or who should be taking this course rather. Sorry about that. The main target for this course is for complete beginners looking to pick up their first language. Maybe some people with basic JavaScript knowledge looking to or maybe people who are just looking to add type safety to the JavaScript. Mm. The third group is people coming from other languages, other object-oriented languages like J or Java's, your C Sharp, looking to pick up some JavaScript. That third group is mainly a target because of my experience coming into JavaScript. So I have a Java background, so when I was interested in going into web development or app development in things like React Native and things that use JavaScript. So I was like, okay, looks like I have to check this JavaScript thing out. So that's what I did, but it had a lot of confusions because I was comparing it to where I was coming from with my Java and that there's no type safety. I just assigned something to a string value and then later down the line I'm assigning the same thing to a function and then later to another object or things like that. Or so things were not as strict, so it was too flexible. Can be good for some people, but too flexible was the issue for me. But when I started doing Angular, which was Angular 2, it used TypeScript. And then when I was using that, slowly learning some TypeScript, and I was like, okay, this is actually more familiar to me than the JavaScript I had been doing earlier. So that's when I was like, I'm only gonna use TypeScript because it worked where JavaScript works, so you can actually build your websites, your apps with TypeScript rather than JavaScript. So that is uh that is why that third group is included here. So then we'll go over what the course is about. So let's get started.